In this step-by-step guide, I am going to show you how to connect Zendrop to Shopify. Are you ready to streamline your e-commerce operations by integrating Zendrop with your Shopify store? Follow these straightforward steps to seamlessly connect the two platforms. 1. Sign up for a Zendrop account. Head over to the Zendrop website and create an account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information and agree to the terms and conditions. 2. Install the Zendrop app on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Apps section. Search for the Zendrop app and click on Add App to install it on your Shopify store. 3. Connect your Zendrop account. Once the app is installed, access it from your Shopify apps list. Follow the prompts to log into your Zendrop account and authorize the connection between Zendrop and Shopify. After connecting your accounts, it's time to configure your Zendrop settings to align with your business requirements. Customize shipping methods, pricing rules, and product import settings according to your preferences and needs. With your settings in place, start browsing the wide range of products available on Zendrop. Select the products you wish to sell on your Shopify store and import them seamlessly with just few clicks. Zendrop then will automatically sync product details, images, and inventory to your Shopify store, saving you time and effort. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Zendrop springs into action. Order details are promptly sent to Zendrop for fulfillment, where you can track the progress and manage the entire fulfillment process effortlessly. Once an order is shipped, the tracking information is updated to your Shopify store, keeping both you and your customers informed every step of the way. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful, and I will see you on the next one.